Okay, I'm just going to give a real quick demo of the Windows 10 version on there and kind of try to touch on some of Lee's points. So here's a Windows 10 machine. You can see Windows 10, everything's running on it. In essence, what we did, there's zero cost to distribute this, and the reason for that is by intent I did not use any libraries that would have a commercial distribution licensing model, because I like to always build things with the visions of the grandeur that 100,000 people are going to use it, and I never wanted to absorb that type of cost. So on this, the only libraries we're using are GhostScript, which is GhostScript. The only requirements is that if you're using this in a app, the simplest licensing structure is just make sure that source code's available, which it already is. Where the click-to-mail MailJack Plus printer driver in .NET is already available on GitHub, so it's already source code's available on that. You're not you guys make your money off people utilizing your service, so there's no reason to charge for the software, so that's not really a worry. And the other program which allows me to do this is I took Foxit, which Foxit is a very good PDF viewer, creator, etc. Well, they have an enterprise licensing model that all you do is you register online and you can distribute with your apps free of charge. So there's no cost with anything we're doing here. So if I was to open up a document, let's open up a Notepad document, and I'm going to type an address on here. So let's type Vincent Sneeze, 1420 Kensington Road, Suite 335, Oak Brook, Illinois, 60523. This is my letter. Alright, so I'm going to go to print this, and you'll see when I go to print this, I have an option under my printers for the Click-to-Mail MailJack Plus printer. By simply clicking print, this pops up, and on here I get to do everything I need to. So it asks me, does the document contain the address or addresses somewhere on it? Well, yeah, I typed it there, so I'm going to click yes on this example. This is the first time I'm running it, so it's actually giving me my tutorial, but we don't need the tutorial. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select my address, and that is the correct address, and it is one page. So at this point, if I ran this at least one time prior, all my settings would be saved, but when I go to run now, it's going to tell me nothing's on there, so let's put in my login. We'll use the standard information on here. And I'm going to use the test mode server on there. We'll emit warning addresses. We'll keep the Rust on there. I'm going to sit. And my template path. Let's make this VW server / backup / templates. Okay, so I spelled that wrong. So I'm going to set this as my defaults, so that anytime I use this in the future, all those will be on there. And I'm going to accept the settings. I'm going to now process, and as you can see, it successfully processed everything. So at this point, I could upload it to you guys. Oh, BashNet. Looks like I typed the password wrong. Let's do this one more time. Address is on, and this time when we go through it, you see all my templates are loaded in that. Again, I'm going to just select the area, and it's one page. And we're going to, all my settings are now on there this time, and let's retype this password, make sure we got it properly. I'm going to rechange my defaults because I don't think I typed it right the first time. Now let's upload it and see if this time it works. And that time it worked fine. So now you'll see that item has successfully been sent. The first time we got the error message because I typed the incorrect password on it. So now anytime I send something in the future, all that information will be on there. So let's open up another document now. We're going to, let's say I want to send this memo, which I don't even know what this memo is, but we're going to send it. And we're going to select the click-to-mail driver. But this time, let's say I want to type the address. So it's going to ask me, does the address or addresses appear somewhere on it? I'm going to say no. So now I have an option for USA or international. So this is a USA address, I'm going to say, and we're going to send this to 1420 Kensington Road, Oak Brook, Illinois, 60523. Let me put a suite number on there too. Well, since all my settings are saved on this, now when it goes to it, everything's on there, and all I do is I accept the settings, and we successfully sent the click to mail. So you can see it's very, very easy to use. There's a lot of features on it. I'm actually probably early next Monday or whatever, I'm going to actually add another button on there that just says save to PDF. So you could actually, if you just want to save a file to PDF, that'll be part of the driver as well. But it's all an automatic install, and again, no cost to distribute or anything like that, but it works, in my opinion, very, very nice, and I'm pretty happy with it. I hope everyone likes it.